Hello everyone, today I will show you how to know if someone blocked or removed you on Snapchat. And here's how it is done. To get started, open the Snapchat app on your device and go to the chat section. Next, find a conversation with your Snapchat friend. In this example, it is your mom. Tap on her name to access her profile. Now that you are on your friend's profile, look closely at her Snapchat score. If you can still see her Snap score, it means she hasn't removed you from her friends list. However, if the Snap score is missing, it suggests that she may have removed or even blocked you. So by simply checking whether the Snap score is visible or not, you can easily figure out if she's still connected to you as a Snapchat friend. And that is everything you need to know about how to see if someone blocked or removed you on Snapchat. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.